Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. Today we're starting our day the right way with a full body mobility routine to shake off stiffness, improve posture, and get the blood flowing. So you might be wondering, who's this routine meant for? Well, I got answers. Desk workers who sit all day and feel stiff, athletes and movers who need better mobility, and really anyone who wants to feel light, loose, and pain-free. So, if that's you, I've got good news. No equipment is needed, just your mat, your breath, and 5 minutes. We're hitting the spine, shoulders, hips, wrists, and neck. Everything that gets tight from stress and inactivity. By the end of the session, you'll feel lighter, looser, and ready to take on the day. And I should say, if you sit for long hours, I've got something special for you. So, actually, this will work for anyone. Make sure to stick around till the end to find out what it is. I promise you, you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the full body side stretch to lengthen the spine and loosen up the obliques. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Reach your right arm overhead, lean gently to the left. Keep your core engaged and your hips square. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch opens up the spine, relieves tightness from sitting, and improves posture. Beginners keep the stretch gentle, only leaning slightly. Advanced stretches add a small side twist for a deeper stretch. Feeling that deep stretch? Wait until we activate your legs in the next move. It's a game changer. Now let's wake up the quads. This move is key to unlocking tight hips and improving balance. Stand tall and grab your right ankle behind you. Keep your knees together and push your hips forward slightly. Use a wall or chair for balance if needed. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch legs. Tight quads equal tight hips. This stretch counteracts long hours of sitting and strengthens your hip flexors. Beginners hold on to a wall or chair for support. Advanced stretches add a forward lean for a deeper stretch. Think your legs are loose? Or wait until we test your mobility with some dynamic rolls. Time to wake up the joints with the wrist and ankle rolls. We use our wrists and ankles all day, so let's give them some love. Stand or sit comfortably. Extend your arms forward and roll your wrists in slow circles. 30 seconds in one direction, then switch. Lift one foot off the ground and roll your ankle in circles, then switch sides. This improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and preps your joints for movement. Beginners keep the motion slow and small. Advanced stretches, try adding some finger stretches between rolls. Your joints are activated. Now let's loosen up your neck. We're moving into neck rolls. This stretch melts away tension and improves neck mobility. Sit or stand tall. Drop your chin to your chest and slowly roll your head to the right. Continue the circle until your chin returns to the start. Reverse direction and repeat for 1 minute. This reduces neck stiffness, eases tension headaches, and improves posture. Beginners keep movement small and slow. Advanced stretches add a gentle hand-assisted stretch for a deeper release. Your neck feels great. But let's unlock even more tension with shoulder rolls. Next up is shoulder shrugs and rolls. This releases tension in the traps and shoulders. Stand tall with arms relaxed at your sides. Inhale, shrug your shoulders toward your ears. Exhale and release them down with control. Repeat for 30 seconds, then transition to slow shoulder rolls. This reduces stress, improves circulation, and relieves tension from poor posture. Beginners keep movement slow and gentle. Advanced stretches add deep breathing to enhance relaxation. With your shoulders open, your posture will feel amazing all day. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than this routine. And let me backtrack. Everyone needs just more than this routine. Go grab the special gift I have for you in the description. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and the best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.